Привет! Я день Joy Kalapati Visimnatsiads Rokiv is Palatasin Saluis Batanghasu Taprets Tibiaye Ukraino. Okay, let's talk about the geography of Ukraine. The geography of Ukraine varies greatly from one region to another country, with the majority of country lying within the East European plain. Ukraine is the second largest country by area in Europe after the Russian Federation. Its various regions have diverse geographic features ranging from highlands to lowlands, as well as climatic range and a wide variety in hydrography. Let's talk about the landmass. It spans an area of 603,628 square kilometers with a population of 44.13 million in 2020, and it is the eighth most populous country in Europe. The story of the flag. The first national flag for Ukraine was adopted in 1848 by revolutionaries who wanted its western part to be fed from Austro-Hungarian rule. They based their flag consisting of equal horizontal stripes of yellow over blue on the colors of the coat of arms used by the city of Lviv. Okay, let's move on in the capital of Ukraine, Kiev. Kiev is the capital of Ukraine and most populous city of Ukraine. It is in the north-central Ukraine along the Dnieper River. As of 1st of January 2021, its population was 2,962,180, making Kiev the seventh most populous city in Europe. Official language in Ukraine. There are approximately 20 languages spoken in Ukraine. According to the 2001 census, 67% of the population speaks Ukrainian and 30% speak a Russian as their first language. Ukrainian, the official language, belongs to the Nisan and Belarusian to the East Syllabic branch of the Syllabic language family. History of Ukraine. The territory of modern Ukraine has been inhabited since 32,000 BC. After World War II, the western part of Ukraine merged into the Ukrainian Soviet Socialist Republic, and the whole country became a part of Soviet Union. Ukraine gained its independence in 1991, following the dissolution of Soviet Union. Okay, this is the most exciting part of this report. Now, I will introduce to all of you the 10 foods famous in Ukraine. First, Paska. Second, Borscht. Third, Varenki. Fourth, Holubsty. Fifth, Holodets. Sixth, Deruni. 7. Chicken Kiev. 8. Oliver potato salad. 9. Walnut stuffed prawns. And 10. Nelesniki. Religions in Ukraine. About 67.3% of the population declared adherence to one or another strand of Orthodox Christianity. 28.7% of Kiev, 23.4% Justin Orthodox, 12.8% of the Moscow, 0.3% Ukrainian Orthodox Church, and 1.9% to other types of Orthodoxy, 7.7% just Christians, and 9.4% Catholics. Tourist attractions in Ukraine. There are many tourist attractions in Ukraine. These are the examples. Number 1, Kiev. Number 2, Odessa. Number 3, Kamyanet-Podilsky. 4, Oman. 5, Chernivtsi. And here are the fun facts about Ukraine. Did you know that Ukraine is the biggest country in Ukraine? Second, Russian or Ukrainian, both language works here. Number 3, Asternyanya is the deepest metro station in the world. And the fourth one is the McDonald's in Ukraine is the most visited restaurant in the world. That's all with my report. Thank you for listening and watching. Keep safe all. Bye.